Are you ready for some Christmas nail art using Christmas gel polish? The gel polishes I will be using in this video are the Nail Addict a December to Remember collection. First, I'm going to be showing you the color, and then I'm going to be showing you some nail art with the color. Do you recall? Oh, not you. You don't have to recall anything. That's the name of this polish. That is a classic Christmas green cream.
When I first saw this, do you recall Christmassy green? I was like, oh my goodness, we gotta do multicolored Christmas lights. Then I used a different array of Nail Addict gel polish colors from this collection and other gel polishes to make the multicolored lights. And then I just finished it off with some matte top coat. Make sure you don't smudge your design. I kind of smudged it a little bit. Oh, but oh well, it looks so pretty.
Cheers! Is the next polish, which is a beautiful cream orange. Oh my goodness, is this one nice? It's opaque in 2 coats. Next is Scarlet Red, which is a scarlet red with a red shimmer. I have a red, and it's so pretty, it's opaque in 2 coats.
Immediately when I saw this color, I thought poinsettia. So I grabbed some watercolor gel and I applied that to my nail. And I did not cure it. You do not cure it. And then I went ahead and started painting the poinsettia. Now I gave it 4 leaves because, you know, poinsettias have 1,000,000 leaves, but I just stuck with 4. And then I made sure the end of the leaf went out to a very sharp point because if you notice, poinsettias are very pointy. I also wanted to put some greenery around the poinsettia, of course, for its leaves and everything. So I used the Nail Addict Evergreen, which you're going to see me swatch later in this video, so stick around because it's a beautiful shade. But I'm going to use some of that, and then I'm going to cure it. To set in the watercolor, you got to cure it in the lamp, and then you can't paint it anymore. And so I just added some green seeds to the center of the poinsettia, and yeah, love it. Super pretty.
Ice skating. It is a grayed out medium tan cream that is opaque in 2 coats.
When I saw this shade, I thought it was super unique and that it would go with the scarlet red polish before. So I went ahead and grabbed the jelly stamper. You know what we're doing, the whole tic-tac smooshing French tip thing, you know, it's been everywhere. But anyways, I'm gonna just do it kind of on the side, and to sparkle it up a little bit, I'm gonna add some red rhinestones towards the top of the nail, and oh my goodness, do I love this design. It's so minimalistic but so modern and cool.
Milky Way. It is a sheer pink with a soft gold shimmer. It's opaque in 3 coats, mainly because it's kind of just meant to be like this nice soft pink gold wash over your nail. But I pretty much got it opaque in 3 coats, so if you don't want to have that little pink gold wash, then 3 coats, it's pretty awesome.
When I saw this shade, I just knew it was gonna look good with white. So we're bringing back the the TikTok method on doing French tips, but this time we're gonna do a little heart French tip. So I'm just gonna do the bottom half of both sides.
Magical. It's magical, Karen. Just like this polish. Magical is a rose pink cream that's opaque in 2 coats.
Let's jump back to the design that we were just doing. Yes, we're going to take magical and we're going to add ballerina ribbons. Yup, Christmas always reminds me of the Nutcracker, so I had to do a ballerina shoe.
Evergreen, which is a deep, cool tone winter cream green that's opaque in 2 coats, and here's winter in a bottle. Like winter trees in a bottle. I almost dropped it. Winter trees in a bottle. Green Elves. It is a mint green cream that leans heavily towards green when it's actually trying to be a mint. It's opaque in 2 coats.
For this green shade, I really wanted to make that plant that you always see around Christmas time. I don't know why I can't remember the name of it, but it's got like red berries on it, you know. It's very Christmassy. I have a Christmas scarf with it on it. I can't think of the name of it though. That's what I wanted to achieve with this design, and I think I did. I think it looks very pretty. Now that we looked at everything, it's time to do my manicure. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on some Beetle fake nails just because I want really long nails for Christmas, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the Do You Recall shade green because that's just perfect for Christmas. I'm gonna paint my nails with it, and then I'm gonna paint my ring finger with sparkles from Nail Addict, which is a beautiful metallic white. And for the design, I wanted to do the multicolored lights, but I wanted to switch it up. So I only did 2 rows of lights, 2 green strips, and then instead of just painting on the bulbs, I used rhinestones as the multicolored lights, and I think it's so cute. And on the other nails, it's gonna be the return of the TikTok. I'm just kidding. The TikTok pushing technique thingy, and then I'm gonna put a rhinestone, and then they're done. I love this manicure. I think it turned out beautifully, and this Nail Addict green is so nice.
I hope you have a very Merry Christmas, and remember to make room for Jesus in your heart this Christmas season, since there was no room in that inn. What? You're short on cash? You still want to have your nails done for Christmas? But this video is all about Christmas polishes that are only $1.